At the northern gates of Bosnia, in the fortress of Gradaščević, a man was born who would shake an empire. Not a king, not a sultan, but a kapetan, chosen by the people, trusted by the land. His name, Husein-kapetan Gradaščević. When the Ottoman Empire dissolved the Bosnian captaincies and sent foreign pashas to rule, the people of Bosnia lost more than land. They lost dignity. In secret, Husein met with ajans, begs, and imams. From every corner of Bosnia, resistance was rising. He marched to Sarajevo, and the people welcomed him. Bosnia was no longer silent. At Kosovo, he defeated the Sultan's army. Bosnia stood victorious, for a moment, free. In Sarajevo, they offered him a crown, but he said, "I don't want to rule. I want Bosnia to stand." But every rebellion has its cracks. In secret chambers, bribes from Istanbul were handed out. Titles, silk and gold. Some Bosnian beys were seduced. They invited Husein to a peace talk in Sarajevo, but it was a trap. As he entered the room, they surrounded him. The Zmaj of Bosnia, chained. Not by battle, but by betrayal. Far from home, in Istanbul, he was imprisoned. There, the Zmaj of Bosnia died, but his fire never went out. He showed us what it means to stand, not as subjects, not as strangers, but as Bosnians. If you carry Bosnia in your heart, share this story. Let the name of Husein-kapetan live forever. Zmaj od Bosna, our hero.